Okay, here is another helpful website. One that eliminates a lot of stuff we really don't need to be reading, okay? Now, I kind of every now and then like to make something a little special for myself, and a lot of times I've never made it before. And I don't like going to a website and then reading everything that's on that website. Like here, let's say I want to make cannoli, okay? One of my favorites. So let's say I go to this website. I start looking at this, I see pictures, I see ads, I see more pictures, I see history. I'm like, I don't really want to look at all this, so how do I eliminate that? Well, let's go up here to the URL, and in front of the HTTP, let's put in cooked.wiki / it's going to eliminate all this garbage, okay? It'll generate the recipe. And so now you're done with all the ads, you're done with all the, little special stuff that they think you need to know. And there you go. There are the ingredients, and there is your way to make it your recipe. Hopefully this helps you. Please select like and subscribe, and we'll come up with more helpful videos. Thank you for viewing.